Yeah, I want to do a quick review on this lemon cake. They're actually rice cakes, little dessert. They're really good. They're really small. I'll show you bite size. Size of a little bit smaller than a quarter, but there's only 90 calories in 21 pieces, so it's a good little afternoon snack. Like I said, they're lemon flavored. You can get other flavor, but these are really good. They're from the brand Drizzilicious, but they have a little crunch to them, so you'll like that. But they're really good. It's like I said, 21 pieces, only 90 calories. So if you're looking for a good snack to have, if you're on a diet or just trying to eat a little bit healthier, try these out. Is lemon cake bites from Drizzilicious rice cakes. Really good. Check it out.